Hey teachers, welcome to Twinkl South Africa's YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to be going through our educator-based resource called the Teacher Planner. On page 1, you will see your class list where you can jot down the names of your class to keep track of each learner. The second page is for your pupil groupings. This is a seating arrangement for your class. The third page is for your classroom timetable where you get to jot down your periods so you never miss a beat. And for the overachiever learners, you'll have a class awards record to keep track of each learner's achievement. Then we have your basic calendar to make use of from January up until December to jot down your important appointments, any school holidays, or anything you might need to remember. The book also has a duty list from Term 1, Term 2, Term 3 up until Term 4 where you can jot down all of your duties or all of your to-do list for each term so you never actually miss a beat. The planner also has a section for your assessment planning. Another helpful section titled Intervention Record. A return slip record as well as a parent interview record to keep track of which parents you've seen throughout the year. Last but not least, we have our professional development log section. Here at Twinkl, we help those who teach. So if you want more of these scheduling or planning resources, please head over to our website www.twinkl.co.za or click the link in the description box for this exact resource. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.